Hey, it's Bob, Home Cook Basics. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new here, please do me a favor, subscribe down below. So today we're talking about the kiwi and how to peel a kiwi. This little bugger is full of vitamin C. One little kiwi is almost all the vitamin C you need in one day. So we're going to talk about how to peel it, and I got a little trick that makes it quick and easy. So that's it, how to peel a kiwi. I hope you found this video useful. Next time you go to peel a kiwi, try it with a spoon. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.